everyone! The season has started. We're now at the heart of winter at Tremblant. We still have a lot of events for you, so here's what you can expect in January and February. Starting with our next Super Demo Day on January 11th and February 22nd. So come try for free your next ski or snowboard equipment from the biggest brand in the industry. Next, we have the Cocktail Icon on January 18th. So we invite all Icon pass holders to join us at Conbaz as of 3 p.m. to celebrate the après-ski with us with fellow enthusiasts. In February, we have a Touring at Night presented by the North Face on February 22nd. So alpine skiing enthusiasts will go up the mountain at sunset and go back down with a headlamp for a dinner at the Chalet des Voyageurs. This year, we redesigned the route with a new uphill trail and a ski back on the south side. It's very much a unique experience at Tremblant. Let's continue with the Red Bull Raid back for a second year in a row on March 1st. This year, it will be on the south side. So participants will need to go up the trail as fast as possible and go down on a specially designed course to earn as many points as possible. Finally, the spring break activities are back as of February 15. So there will be interactive games, activities, daily entertainment, and dance evening through mid-March. It's really much a must for the whole family. So you can see the full schedule of our events on our website, as well as our lodging deals to plan your next winter getaway at Tremblant. See you soon!